I quit my 100K product design job to start Aliena Design LLC. I've never felt more in control of my destiny. But let's be real, I've also never been this anxious. My first pre-sale is set for July 24th, giving me just 3 weeks to prepare for the launch of my debut product, uiux. So this month, join me on a mission to produce, market, advertise, and pre-sell a product to 100 people as a design entrepreneur. Which to the end. Before I quit my job, I had grown this design channel to 50K subscribers, partnered with nearly every product design program and brand out there, built a network strong enough to get me into any tech company, produced design tutorials on YouTube, and received amazing feedback. I'm confident that what I'm doing has a perfect product market fit. But I have never sold a single thing in my life. So I'll start with what I know: designing a landing page. Open Figma, create a frame, add a few rectangles, text boxes, and ta-da! Done with the wireframe. Now pick an accent color. Red, of course, because I'm red. Pick a primary black and a secondary black color. Done! Now for the marketing video, which is the most important element on this site. Write out the list, film it, edit the A-cut, and while doing all this, I have to keep reminding myself, don't aim for perfection. And send it off to my editor. Next, content. English is hard. Correct my grammar and make it shorter. But thanks to AI, I spent 2 nights iterating on the content until my English major friend says. And now that my editor has sent me the final edit of the marketing video, I'll put everything together using Shopify because it allows integration with YouTube and Instagram, not sponsored. The downside is that you can't do much customization. That's why this simple wireframe does a perfect job. And now, this site is live. Oh yes!
I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance.
Catch this! The pre-sale of FTUX is set to be July 24 to July 31. Pre-sale means I'm selling a product before the product is produced. I'm doing this to test the product market fit and to earn some money to survive through the production period. I set this pre-sale period to 1 week, the KPI to 100 customers. Only 1 week because that's the longest time I can stand working as a full-time customer support. Oh wow, so you bought the course but you cannot sign in. Let me check it for you, I'm sorry you're experiencing this. My KPI is 100 customers because that's the number of feedback I would need to iterate on my product and produce something great. Are you able to sign in now? So you misspelled your email address when you sign up for the account. Alright. Can you try again this time with the right email? Alright, let me know if you have any other question. Okay, goodbye. This is very similar to the product design process. As a product designer, we do low-fidelity prototype before we jump into high-fidelity designs. And we do user testing on 10 users before we release the feature to 1 million users. Now I need to let people know there's a pre-sale happening by producing organic YouTube content and then including the link in the description. Shouting on Instagram, LinkedIn, and email list. I really need to sleep earlier. Now to advertising. I won't rely on advertising for this pre-sale, but I'm still doing it to get familiar with the process and make sure all accounts are working. They are not working. Instagram thinks I'm still in Mexico, and I can't change it. Google suspended my account 2 years ago, and I don't know why. And now just that. My Shopify can't integrate with my YouTube. I also don't know which course platform to use, and I realize a brand still owes me money from 7 months ago. I'm fried. It's 11 p.m. Time to bother customer supports. And just like that, I learned my first lesson in entrepreneurship. There's no such thing as having full control. As an employee, you may be asked to design something in a day for a fire drill project. As an entrepreneur, you are always relying on other services that may take a few business days to review your request. So after a few business days, I figured things out on Meta Business Suite. Google unsuspended my ads account. Shopify YouTube integration still doesn't work, but it's time to move on. This is the Google campus. I'm here to record an episode of uiux.
I wonder who hurt you. I wonder who made you so mad. Tell me, where did you learn to be so negative? You're such a
Edit. Done. Now is the moment you've been waiting for. The pre-sale just started. First day, 62 people signed up. Second day, 88 people signed up. Last day, 205 people signed up. And now the pre-sale is closed. But most importantly,